Now I hear the 3 Fanimation fans running on low speed, and to be fed are medium and high. That dimmer switch is the one that controls all 3 fans, and it's on full setting. Dimmer switch is bad for the motor and the receiver. I didn't even push the light button to make that light go off. The receiver can act weird when it's on a dimmer switch. They make slight humming noise, probably from a dimmer switch, and they don't wobble much, and they blow a good amount of air. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.